Okay, children, we wrote the place values of the color digits. Now, the next 8th bit in exercise 1.1 is, what is 8th bit? Find the sum of the place values of 3 in each of the following. Okay, what is the bit 8th bit given? Find the sum of the place values of 3. Find the sum of the place values of 3. So first you have to identify this one. What is that? Place values of 3 in each of the following. So in each number we have to identify the place values of 3. Then next what we have to do? Find the sum of them. First you have to write the place values of 3. And next you have to find the sum of them. Okay, example, first number is given. Okay, this is the first number here. What is that? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So in thousands, what is that? 35 are there. So 35,397. This is the number here. 35,397. How many 3's are there and what are the place values of them? We have to identify. Place values of 3 is mentioned. So 3. How many places 3 is there? In one place and in another place. In two places 3 is there. What are the place values of 3? So place values of 3. What are the place values of 3? In which place it is? First one. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 3 is in hundreds place. And next thousands, 10,000s. 3 is in which place? 10,000s place. So 3 is in two places. 3 is in which place? In 10,000s place. And another 3 is in which place? 100th place. So 3 10,000s and 3 hundreds. So 3 tens. 3 tens how much? 30. So 30,000. It is the place value of first 3. Why? Because it is in 10,000s place. So its place value is 30,000. And next 3 is in which place? Hundreds place. So next 3 is in hundreds. That's why 300 is its place value. Now sum of place values. Sum of place values. He asked us to find the sum of the place values. That's why we want to find the sum of the place values. What are the place values we got? 30,000 and 300. Sum of them means what we have to do? Addition. So 30,000 plus 300. Find the sum. 30,000 plus 300. And add them. 0. 0 plus 0. 0. 0 plus 3. 3. And write 0 and 3. What is the sum we got? 30,300. This is the sum of the place values of 3, the first given number. Okay. Next, observe the second one. What is second question? 2393. What is the number it is? 2393. 2393. First, what we have to write? Place values. Place values of which digit? Place values of 3. What are the place values of 3? 3 is in ones place and 3 is in hundreds place. So 3 hundreds comma 3 ones. 3 is in hundreds place, so its place value is 300. 3 into 100, 300. Next 3 is in ones place, 3 into 1, 3 only. Okay, we wrote the place value. Then direct what? Sum of place values. What is the sum of place values? Place values are 300 and 3. So sum of them is 300 plus 3. What is the answer? 300 plus 3. What will you get? 303. Okay. Like this, we have to write the answer for this. Observe D, problem D. Okay, see, you do yourself and observe problem D in the 8th bit. What is that problem? 38333. How can you read this? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So 38,333. That is the number. 38,333. How many threes are there in that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 threes are there. So write 4 place values and find the sum of them. So place values of 3. What are the place values? This 3 is in which place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So 3 is in which place? 10,000s place. Next, another 3. Ones, tens, hundreds. Another 3 is in hundreds place. So 3 hundreds. Next, this 3 is in tens place. Next 3 is in ones place. So what we can write? 3 10,000s. 3 into 10,000s means 3 tens are 30. So 30,000. It is the place value of 1 3. Okay. Next one. 300. So 3 hundreds. Next one. 3 tens. 30. Next one. 3 ones. 3. Now sum of place values. What is the sum of place values? Sum means do the addition of all these numbers. 30,000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 3. Add all of them, what you will get? What you will get? Just write like this. 30,000. Another number is 300. Another number is 30. Another one is 3. Add all of them. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3. What you will get? 3 only. Next 0 plus 0 plus 3. 3. 0 plus 3. 3. 0 and 3. So what is the answer? 30,333. This is the answer. Okay. Like this, there are remaining 2 problems are there. What are those? C and E. Do yourself. C and E. Next, 9th bit. What is the 9th bit? Find the difference of the place values of 6 in each of the following. Find the difference. Okay, in the place of sum, what you have? Difference. Find the difference of the place values of 6 in each of the following. The previous problem we found the sum, and in this problem we have to find the difference. What is means difference? Sum means we have done addition. So difference means what we have to do? We have to subtract. You have to do the subtraction. Okay. For example, first number. What is the first number? A. 6, 3, 2, 6. What is this number? 6,326. 6,326. Now what we have to do? Find the difference of the place values of 6. So first what we have to write? The place values of 6. What are the place values of 6 here? 6 is in which place? 6 is in ones place, and another 6 is in which place it is? Thousands place. So what we can write? 6 is in thousands place. So 6 thousands. Next another 6 is in ones place. So 6 ones. So what we can write? 6,000. 6,000. Comma another one is 6 ones. 6 only. These are the place values of 6. Now difference of the place values. Difference of the place values. Difference means what I said. Difference means nothing but subtraction. So do the subtraction here. What is the biggest number? 6,000, and smallest number is 6. Subtraction you have to do. 6,000 minus 6. So do the subtraction. 6,000 minus 6. Okay. 0 minus 6 cannot possible. So we have to borrow. But this number is also 0. We cannot borrow from this. From this also we cannot borrow. So start from this. Okay. Borrow 1. What will it become? 10. Now from this we are borrowing another one. Means this number becomes how much? 9 only. So it is 10. Again borrow from this. So here what we should write? 9 only. What we will get? 10. Okay. What is the last one? 10. 10 minus 6. If you subtract 6 from 10, what you will get? 10 minus 6, then you will get how much? 4. Okay. Next, 9 will remain. Here nothing is there, so write 9 directly. And 9 remains here. Direct write 9 only. We borrowed 1 from this. What is the remaining number here? 5. So write 5. What is the answer we got? 5994. 5,994. That is the difference of the place values of 6. Okay. Similarly, I will say E problem. Remaining 3 you yourself. E. What is E? 26362. What is this number? 26,362. How can you identify? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So this is thousands period. So 26,362. That is the number. Now first what we have to write? Place values of 6. Place values of 6. In which places it is? Ones, tens. So it is in tens place. Hundreds, thousands. So it is in thousands place. So first 6 thousands. And another 6 is in what? Tens. So 6 thousands. 6,000. 6 tens. 6 tens how much? 60. So these are the numbers we got. Now what we have to find? The difference of the place values. Difference of the place values. So what are the place values we got? 6,000 and 60. Difference means what we have to write? Subtraction. So write minus here. 6,000 minus 60. So do the subtraction at this side. 6,000. From this how much we have to subtract? 60. Okay. First 0 minus 0. Directly we will get 0 only. 0 minus 6. Not possible. So what we have to do? Borrow. Borrow from 6. One number is borrowed. So remaining how much? 5. what it will become 10, but again 1 is borrowed, so what is the remaining? 9. Now it is 10. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 how much? 4, and 9 remains, 5 remains. So what we got? 5940. Okay, 5940. That is the difference of the place values of 6. Like this, you complete which bits? 8th bit problems. 2 problems are there in the 8th bit, and next 3 problems are there in the 9th bit. Okay, 9th bit I said A and E. Remaining B, C, D. 3 problems you do yourself. Okay, 8th bit and 9th bit both are completed. And now go to the 10th bit in page number 11. In page number 11 there is 10th bit from this exercise. Observe the 10th bit in page number 11. What is that? Draw an abacus to represent each of the following given numbers. Each of the given numbers. Okay, draw an abacus to represent each of the given numbers. What is first one? Draw an abacus. Draw an abacus to represent each of the given numbers. Okay, this is which bit? 10th bit. Abacus we have to draw. I said if abacus given, how you have to identify the number? I already said in this exercise. In which bit? In first bit only I said how to identify the number. Now number is given, how to draw the abacus? Okay, first number. What is the first number given? 304351. How can you read this number? Can you read it? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and this is lakhs. So 3,04,351. This is number given. Whatever the number given, how can we draw on the abacus? Means first draw the abacus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there. So draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw 6 lines. First one, start from this. What is here? 1. So only draw one circle here. It is nothing but 1. Next 5. 5 means how many circles you have to draw? 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Next 3. So draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Next one 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one 0. 0 means no need to draw any circle here. So write 0 directly. No need to draw any circle. Next 3. 3 means 1, 2, 3. So this is the abacus representation for the given number. Okay, it is easy to write it. Next second one, B. What is second one? 81,786. Okay. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the first number? 6. So how many circles you have to draw? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 numbers. 6. And next 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is next number? 1. 1 means you have to the only one side. Next 8 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So like this, draw the abacus for the given numbers in which bit? 10th bit. Okay? Complete all the problems from the 10th bit.
ఎంత ఖర్చు